Alright, I think I've about got everything I need gathered up for our air compressor. Got the plate here to mount the motor and pump to. I noticed with this pump, the pulley rides down below where the base is, so I had to make some spacers which will sit under the pump here. That will not only get the pulley off of the base, but it'll get it high enough off the base that I can slip a belt around here. So that'll mount like this here. And I already know this is going to be a multi-part video. So that's why I started the way I did. The motor will mount right here next to it. The only thing I haven't got yet was the belt. So I need to decide exactly where I want to put it and drill my holes and mount it in place. There's slots on the motor to where I can slide it to tighten the belt, so I have a little leeway there on my belt. These are my bolts I'm going to cut and use these for my mounting bolts here and maybe there too. I got the soft tubing. If you'll notice on the pump, it's got the flare fitting. So what I did, I went up and got a flare that adapts over to the compression. It's just easier for me to deal with compression. I have a flare tool, but compression is just quicker for me. So we'll put this will go directly from here down to the tank. I got it long so because I don't know exactly how far it is. And then up here we've got a little 1/4 inch fitting that will go here. And then this will go over to, from here over to our pressure switch. It fits right into the bottom of the pressure switch from here. Then our pressure switch will be mounted on our valve assembly here, our valve manifold. And this is where your air hose comes off of. And then we've got a couple gauges. And then this will mount to the tank also. This is where it'll mount to the end of the tank where the air comes out. Alright, I keep trying to do stuff off camera, but that's not what I want to do here. We're going to go through the whole process together. I've decided we're going to switch these for 2 reasons. My inlet on the tank is going to be towards the front, which will be up towards this way of my tank. And I want to be able to get to this electric fairly easy, so I'm going to pull this over here, put this right here, I want to make sure my V lines up perfect so we don't throw belts. we're figuring this on together here. Now my problem is my fittings here. I need it over here, so I'm probably going to have to bend my tubing so it comes down behind the pulley here and out right here. So that's what I'm going to plan on doing there. I don't have a tubing bender, so we're going to try not to cancel this. Of course the belt will go here. Now this thing, I guess it's just going to mount to the end of the tank here. Well, that's on this end. All these things are. That will just be, I'm going to take this oiler off for now. Then my gate, and my gauges will be like right here. So I guess it's time to start drilling marking and drilling my holes where these are going to mount. So that looks pretty good right there. This is kind of the edge lined up with the edge of my pump. Same over here. I can go ahead and mount this on there now. The key is conveniently attached to the top of it. Okay, on this pulley, it's got this cup in it. That fits over this. That's how you know how the pulley goes on. This is bowed out right here, and this cup fits around it. And you just, on this particular motor, just flush it up on the front there. Snug her down good and tight. Now we line up our V's. I'm going to go ahead and take your time and line up everything straight. The face of this, make it straight with the edge of the plate here. And I'm going by this edge of the motor and stuff, and on this edge. Everything's good and square. V's are lined up. Now on our on the motor, we've got these notches, and that's so you can adjust your belt. So what I want to do, I want my motor this way a little, and I'll mark the back side of these holes. Same on this side. I want to mark the hole here, that way when I put the belt on, I can slide the motor this way to tighten it up. So. This is just going to help give me an idea of what I want. So yeah, I'm still...
Alright, here's my spots. Alright, got the plate all marked off. That's 4 white spots. Now comes the hard part. Since I don't have a drill press, we're going to do it by hand. I may end up getting different bolts for it. That's the right size. That's not the right size for that, of course. We'll figure that out in a little while. See if I can drill some holes. I got my choice here. But since these are going to be pretty tough holes, I think I'll go with this one.
Alrighty. Choose this one. It's hard on the ear bones.
Oh, I got these. Alright, I got this side grill. I'm going to wipe these off in a clean fashion. I erased one. But there's a mark, so I'm good. Alright. Look at this bad boy. Park behind the camera there. Alright. Now these spacers will go here.
But I made it work. Perfect. Also perfect. And I think we'll leave that at part 1. So I gotta get some bolts. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the rest of the build.